Pepe coin is still in the red. Is the meme coin market dead? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel, guys. I'm your host, Omar Khan, and today we're talking about Pepe coin, as the coin has not been performing as great as it once was. We currently see down nearly 27% on the month, down 11% on the week. However, in the 24 hours, we're kind of sitting in this neutral zone. What is going to happen with our fan favorite Pepe token? Let's go ahead and take a look. Before we start that, I want to ask if you haven't already, guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. Taking a look at the market, guys, we're currently at a 41 in terms of the fear and greed index, and it looks like we're slowly making that reversal. Every day we're creeping more and more towards neutral and hopefully towards green, and this bull market looks like it's about to get started very, very soon. And guys, if you want to see to the latest and greatest Pepe news, smash the subscribe button down below. Pepe currently still trending on the trending tab at number 7. As you look at the chart earlier, we're down 27%, which is not too bad. In terms of the top meme coins, guys, Pepe is sitting at number 3 with a $3.6 billion market cap. Will Pep make a reversal, or is he going to go in downwards direction? I think Pepe is going to make a reversal and stay in the top 3 spot, if not maybe even top 2, flipping Shiba Inu, which is quite frankly possible. It's a long way away. It's about $7 billion in difference in market cap, but if that change was to happen, it'd be absolutely amazing for any of the bag holders. In terms of volume, it's literally at number 2 with $382 million in volume in the past 24 hours. Even the technical reports are looking pretty bullish in the sense that the oscillators are neutral. Yes, the moving average on a strong sell, but summaries at sell, which is a step in the right direction. When we look on the 1 week, guys, we see we're sitting at neutral. So we're imagining this to make a swift recovery. Guys, if you're holding Pepe and you want to get into Pepe, and you wish you got into Pepe early, I should say, here's a Presale gem that's going absolutely crazy. And in 1 hour and 47 minutes, they're going to have their next price hike. So now's your time to load up at the absolute lowest price. This is Pepe Unchained. It has raised almost $3.5 million. It's Pepe, but better. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake in Presale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. They're currently offering 545% AP. Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fees, higher volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and dedicated block explorer. This Presale is going absolutely crazy, guys. It launched only a couple weeks ago. I already raised $3.5 million. This is the absolute lowest price you can buy it right now, guys. You can buy it with ETH, USDT, card, BNB, you name it, it got it here. This one's going to go absolutely ballistic, mark my words. We've seen this already happen with Sultana. We've seen it happen with Dogeverse. The subscribers were very happy. Some crazy things went on to happen. So if you want to load up, now's your chance to strike. Link in the description below. But back to Pepe, and we're going to go to their Twitter account, guys, that's boasting over 678,000 followers, and we're seeing some pretty bullish things. They had like a collaboration with crypto.com just a couple days ago. US users were holding a huge $1 million giveaway featuring Pepe coin, went up to $25,000 in Pepe, 100,000 winners, and it ends July 30th. So it's a massive giveaway with Pepe token, which is massive. So I'm assuming there's some sort of criteria is obviously to hold Pepe, so just encouraging people to buy and hold Pepe. Same with Binance. Binance also doing a massive giveaway. Make crypto payments with ease, sends 1 cent or more using for first time using Binance Pay, and you can win up to 20 million Pepe, which is absolutely massive. They're trying to just incentivize people to use Pepe and reward people, just get more people involved in Pepe. Now we talked about some bullish news. Let's talk about some bearish news, because there's some bearish news as well, right? Pepe, Shib, Doge, Floki in the red. Is the meme coin market dead? Investors seek altcoins like Roblox, which is up 54% this past month. So they're talking about how meme coins are kind of in the red and kind of dying. We're seeing this Pepe coin data shows potential bullish gains despite recent $720 billion Pepe sell-off. Pepe charts has shifted between up and downwards trends over the last day as the price dropped by 11%. This comes after Winter Mute, a known crypto market maker, dumped over 703 billion Pepe, and another whale took out 9 trillion Pepe, valued approximately $82 million. Despite this huge sell-off, Pepe has grown over 0.58% in the last 7 days. Pepe trading volume is above 200-day simple moving average, the SMA. So again, yes, there's some bearish news, but some bullish news in this as well. I honestly see this as a great opportunity to buy it at some mega low prices. We take a look at the 1 month, guys. Yes, we're down 28%. But in my eyes, it looks like it's 28% off. We take a look at the 1 year, we're still up a whopping 420%. So anyone who bought it early has obviously made a solid bag. But again, when this pumps again, which it will, anyone who buys it now could reap some solid rewards. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now, let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish or bearish for Pepe coin? I want to hear it all. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.